Every generation creates tools that define its era. Some transform how we travel, some reshape how we communicate, and some are built for one purpose only: absolute precision. A modern sniper rifle is not born of chaos, but of mathematics, metallurgy, and discipline measured in microns. Long before steel is cut, it exists as data, simulated through advanced digital models that test structural stress, thermal expansion, recoil behavior, and environmental endurance, proving that accuracy is never a feature but the result of perfect balance. Inside climate-controlled laboratories, only the most stable alloys pass rigorous testing for density, grain uniformity, stress tolerance, and corrosion resistance, because this is not about power, but predictability. In specialized machining halls, raw steel blanks are transformed with computer-guided precision, where heat is monitored, vibration is eliminated, and human hands inspect every stage, knowing that a microscopic flaw can alter outcomes kilometers away. Through carefully regulated thermal cycles, steel is conditioned for consistency, relieved of memory, and remeasured until perfection is confirmed. Receivers are machined from solid blocks using multi-axis CNC systems, digitally scanned and optically inspected so that nothing is forced and everything is matched. Modular design allows adaptation without compromising rigidity, while stocks and chassis are shaped through biomechanical studies to reduce fatigue and increase repeatability, proving that comfort here is not luxury but precision insurance. Protective surface treatments extend service life, reduce friction, resist corrosion, and minimize reflection because nothing is cosmetic and everything has purpose. Quality control demands zero tolerance, rejecting even the slightest deviation, while final system integration is carried out by specialists who treat each rifle as a single engineered entity rather than a mass-produced object. Rigorous reliability testing ensures consistency, durability, and resilience, with many systems failing before approval. All of this exists within strict legal and ethical frameworks governed by international regulations, export controls, and traceability systems, ensuring accountability from factory to authorized end user. Finished systems are sealed, logged, stored, and transported under controlled conditions because the journey does not end at the factory door. In the end, a modern sniper rifle is not defined by power, but by restraint, discipline, and responsibility, built to perform one task flawlessly under strict control, where nothing is accidental, nothing is glorified, and only precision remains.
старейшина.